Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be explaining a really short and sweet brief about what actually is data mining. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive into it. Data mining is defined as a process used to extract usable data from a large set of any raw data. It implies analyzing data patterns in a large batch of data using one or more softwares. Data mining has application in multiple fields like science and research. As an application of data mining, businesses can learn more about their customers and develop more efficient strategies related to various business functions and in turn leverage resources in more optimal and insightful manner. This helps business be closer to their objective and make better decisions. Data mining involves effective data collection and warehousing as well as computer processing. For segmenting the data and evaluating the probability of future events, data mining uses sophisticated mathematical algorithms. Data mining is also known as knowledge discovery in data. Now let's quickly see what are the key features of data mining. So firstly, data mining helps in automatic pattern predictions based on trend and behavior analysis. It helps predictions based on likely outcomes. It also creates decision-oriented information. Data mining focuses on large data sets and databases for analysis. And finally, it enables clustering based on finding and visually documented groups of facts not previously known. Isn't it amazing? So, well, these are the top key features, but the list doesn't stop here. There are various such features of data mining you can search for. This was all from my side, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.